Summary of best soybean farming practices for maximum farm income. This is your soybean farming prosperity blueprint. 7 pillars of success. Disease-free inoculation, that is optimizing nitrogen fixation saving, that is costing between $60 to $120 per hectare. Strategic variety selection, that is matching genetics to environment for 5 to 15 bushel advantage. Precision planting, that is optimal population depth, timing establishing yield potential. Another one is integrated weed management, that is reducing herbicide costs by between 30 to 50% while controlling resistance. Next is comprehensive disease pest pest management, that is resistant varieties plus strategic treatments. Optimal harvests, that is proper timing and combined setup preventing between 5 to 15% losses. And quality preservation, that is storage allowing strategic marketing. Expected results, between 25 to 50% yield increases, that is from 45 to 50 to 60 to, that is from between 45 to 50 to 60 to 75 bushel per hectare typical. Production cost reduction of between 20 and 35% through reduced fertilizer. Optimize the herbicide use and integrated management. Quality premiums for high protein or specialty beans. Net income improvements of between 150 to 300%. Enhanced soil health from nitrogen fixation and rotation benefits, and sustainable long-term productivity. Here is your transformation action steps. They are here and they begin now. Therefore, begin this week. Assess current practices, identifying gaps, test fields for CNC and pH, research top varieties for your region. This month, plan variety strategy, order quality inoculant, calibrate planter, develop integrated weed management program. Next season, implement precision planting, proper inoculation, pre-emergence weed program, systematic scouting, optimal harvest timing, and document the results. Engage. Like this video to help YouTube share this knowledge. Comment sharing your soybean farming challenges. Share widely in farming communities. Subscribe for weekly agricultural content transforming your farm income. Your soybean prosperity awaits. Soybean farming can transcend survival to become genuine prosperity. These proven practices, validated across millions of acres, provide your complete roadmap. Biological nitrogen fixation, improved varieties, precision management, and integrated approaches transform soybeans from a break-even crop into a profit center. Millions of farmers have already made this transformation, achieving between 150 to 300% profit improvements. Now it is your turn. Take action today. Implement systematically. Master these practices. Build your soybean farming prosperity. Your success story begins now. Your prosperous soybean farming future awaits. Go claim it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly contents transforming agricultural livelihoods worldwide. Together, we are building a global movement of prosperous farmers. Welcome to your soybean farming transformation. Let's make it extraordinary.